Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to brush long hair with my purple little brush. So let's do it. So first you have to grab the brush like this, and then you have to go up to your hair, and then you have to grab some hair to the front of, and then you go back side, and then you go all the way to the bottom, and then you go this side, and then back side a little bit, and then go all the way to the bottom. And one more thing I have to show you. Next, we're going to show you how to put on a headband. So let's do it. First, you have to put two of your hands like this together, and then you go like this, and you go up, and then you're finished. Bye guys, give us a huge thumbs up and click to more videos right here and right here. And don't forget to click the notification bell if you want to watch me do more videos. Bye!